Ok, so vamos a probar comida o golosinas asiáticas o chinas por primera vez. Wow. Este es el primer snack que vamos a abrir y vamos a probar. Necesito que me des tu reacción auténtica. I need your real reaction to it, okay? Oh my god. This is what it looks like. How did you open it? Okay. So it's what? It's a seaweed rice cracker?
Rice cracker.
Okay. Cheers.
We got one. Oh, wait!
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
That's spicy.
I don't know. I was expecting to taste more of the seaweed.
No, there's barely any seaweed.
Rice cracker. Rice biscuit. A 7. Yeah, I would rate it a 7. Next.
Oh, I can't wait
I'm
for this
excited
one.
about this one. What is it, Carly? What is it?
Esto with mango jelly inside.
So what is it?
It's a marshmallow mango flavored with mango flavored jelly inside. Ready?
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
One,
Cheers. 2, 3. It's just a marshmallow.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna squirt out.
I know. I thought it was gonna squirt out.
I like them as a snack.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
8.5. No, a 9.
7. What's a 7 for me? What's a 7?
A 9 for
I'm
me.
only gonna eat 2 of these.
9.
It's a 7. Next.
Is this green tea Kit Kat?
Harley's had this before. I've never tried this. And
They come in mini packages in a package already.
I just like anything green tea, to be honest. Anything
I only
that's
like
green
this
tea.
green tea. I don't like any other.
I love green tea. I like the green tea drink. And I like anything green tea flavored. Okay. Oh, it's 2 little ones.
Yeah.
Okay. Cheers. This is a 10. This is a 10. What's next?
Salty this time.
Okay.
This shrimp chips. It's supposed to be spicy. Spicy. Right here. And they're shrimp flavored. And they're called Proby. Proby?
Probe. Oh, I'm excited about this one.
I like that. Smell it. Kind of smells like turtle food, but okay.
Turtle food. 1,
2.
I feel like it's missing something. Like the little
It kind
one.
of tastes like sabritas. What are those?
Sabritas?
Sabritas.
Yeah. Yeah, they're good. They are good. An 8.
I rate them a 7.5.
8, 7.5. What's next?
These are the lollipops. And then
Oh, aren't they so cute, guys?
they're heart shaped.
Mom, please get out of my video.
I think they're chocolate.
Chocolate.
Not lollipops.
Okay. Guys,
Oh,
here.
you know what they smell like?
Oh yeah, we're
Like-
supposed to smell everything first.
Like the chocolate raisins.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, ready? I think it's a chocolate.
Cheers.
Yeah. You broke yours.
No, you broke yours. That was not me.
That was not
That
me.
was not me either.
I don't like it.
I like it.
I
It
think
tastes kind of like, sabe como a Duvalin?
no.
It tastes like Duvalin, kind of. If you guys know what that is. Harley took one bite and she did not like it. So what do you rate it?
A 0.
0?
A 1. I'll give it
I loved it. It was really good. I rate it like a 7 though. It's a 7. It's not an 8. Okay,
For
so
this
it's a
type of
honey. So what are the seeds
It's
in
a-
there?
Basil seeds. So these
Basil seeds.
Basil seeds.
How awesome! You can definitely taste the honey though. You can taste the honey.
Whoa. It's like honey.
Mm-hmm.
It's not like, oh, it's just a little bit of
No,
honey.
it's very honey-ish. Yeah,
I mean, I think it needs to be colder.
I think it needs to be colder, but it's not. It's like a subtle honey flavor. So we don't know what kind of snack or what. I mean, it's all in Asian. It's all in Taiwanese because it's made in Taiwan. So it's made in Taiwan, as you can see. But
Oh wow!
oh my god! Oh my god! It's it's like a puff
Yeah. Puff Cheeto. Cheeto puffs.
With seaweed.
with seaweed. Yeah, you're right. Oh, how weird.
What
I would
about
give
you?
it like a 5.
Like
Yeah.
a
5.5. 5.5 for me.
What's
So
next?
the next thing is this weird thing. We have no idea what it is.
five?
Show it.
Es un
Wait,
jabón.
no.
Soap.
Black sesame soft rice cake. So this is what it looks like, and it's black, obviously, because I just read it. This is what it looks like right here. Like that, kind of looks like a big bar of seaweed. Ready?
Okay. Got it.
Smell, smell.
Cheers.
Smells like seaweed again. 1, 2,
2, 3.
3. Oh.
I don't like it.
Oh.
I
Ew.
don't like it. I don't like
No. Ow.
Nasty. 0.
Zero.
No, don't try the black rice
Don't
cake.
try it.
Next. Are you guys ready?
Okay.
Boom, 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 boom.
It's
boom.
rice crackers coconut milk flavor.
I think I'm
Wow.
gonna like this one.
Sounds
I'm gonna like
delicious.
it.
So, yep, this is what it looks like.
cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Smell.
Big bite.
Okay,
Okay,
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Yeah. I rated a 5.
I rated a 4. I'm not too. So I mean, I'm not gonna buy it again. I'm not gonna.
So the next thing is this pudding. How do you say pudding?
Pudding.
Pudding. Pudding. Pudding.
So I got the strawberry and she's got the mango. Okay, cheers.
1, 2.
I don't know what. I feel like it's missing something. It's too bland. It's a little too bland.
Esta está rica. Yes. Y más frillita se me imagina que va a ser más sabrosa.
The green apple is so good. I barely tasted it.
Agarraste un pedacito chiquito.
I was about to spit it out. Okay. ¿Qué sigue? ¿Qué sigue?
Uva. Aquí.
Bueno, más
Y
tienes.
tiene. It has like a funny way to open it.
This is gonna be really cool, guys. So there's this little, I guess it's a soda marble. It has like the soda in here. And when you release that marble in here, it makes it a soda pop.
That's the marble right there.
And it's like a carbon marble.
So
Okay, now.
now we can do it.
Okay, you guys guys ready?
Are y'all ready?
Are y'all ready?
Shake first.
Shake. Okay, I'm scared.
1, 2.
2, 3, go!
How cute! Cheers. I like it. I give it a 10.
10.
A 9. A 9. I mean, it's a soda, right? What do you expect from a soda? It's not gonna taste healthy.
Give it
9.
a
9 for me.
7.
7.5.
And look,
So this is called Tropical Cookies. Biscuit de
tapioca. Tapioca. Okay, guys,
I want
so-
to taste the green one.
Okay.
No,
No, what? I don't know.
It smells like coconut. Wait, is it coconut?
Coconut.
Yeah.
So let's keep it here. Cheers.
Cheers, Harley.
Cheers. 1, 2.
Te lo tienes que comer todo.
No.
Yeah, 1, 2, all of it. No, 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Ew, that last. Oh, that last. Like,
The after.
yeah, the aftertaste.
No. This is a -5. I rate who eats these? Like kids eat these? Old people?
Okay, the
worry.
last thing
The last thing is
popular right
Harley and I have been we've really been looking forward to eating this. Now, we were debating about how you pronounce it.
now. Okay, yeah.
I was saying that it's maki, and Harley
Is mochi.
mochi, and we looked it up, and Harley was right.
Yes,
it's
of
mochi.
Not maki.
I thought it was
What is that?
maki. Mochi.
So this is a popular thing right now. It's
Ice cream?
no,
Yeah,
it's like a cake ice cream,
cake ice cream.
and it's red bean cake. So it's kind of different. That's why we wanted to get it.
Okay, guys.
So I'm gonna cut. Oh, it's so soft.
Let me touch it. Oh, touch it, Mom.
It's so soft.
Oh, this is just. Can we just do this?
I know.
It's like those
Let's just
plushies. What do they call?
some squishy.
Squishies. It's like
Oh
a
my
squishy.
God.
It's a squishy.
Wait, let it go.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, if y'all could like squeeze it,
Can they
just
touch it? Bring it
imagine.
really close.
Imagine you touching this.
Yeah, I will touch it for you. Wait.
Okay.
Okay. Let me just touch it.
And
one
it's
more
like so
time.
soft.
Oh my
the
gosh,
flowers
guys.
like so soft.
It literally feels like a squishy.
What is that? Oh my gosh, it looks good. Let's
Okay.
not be negative.
I don't have big bite. Right. Okay, ready?
Right, let's smell it.
No, don't smell it. Don't
it's
smell it. Don't
so
smell it.
soft.
Cheers.
Don't smell it.
Cheers.
Mochi. Cheers. Mochi. 1, 2, 3.
¿De frijoles o qué?
Are they frijoles?
The black beans.
Red bean. Like,
Son con frijoles. No, dulce frijoles.
es frijol.
Frijoles.
Ya, está lleno de frijol.
Frijoles.
Siento que me va a doler la panza.
Well, I'm gonna taste this.
I don't know, guys.
So just-
I need something salty now. So,
So that was our taste.
thank you for
Thank you.
watching, guys.
What do you want
This
to
has
say?
been so much fun. I think
Yeah.
that I learned about what other people in different cultures, especially the Asian culture, what they like, what they eat for snacks. Sorry, guys, I was eating sriracha. But anyway, it was very enlightening. I learned a lot, and I really liked it. I liked it.
Yeah. Comment down below if you want us to make more videos like this or different kinds of videos.
If you want to see us try like Italian candy or do a
Australian candy or do like
or Middle Eastern,
or whatever kind of videos. Whatever.
subscribe.
right here.
And if you like this content, comment below. Thank you, guys.
Like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. And well, we'll see you soon.
Peace.